Welcome to our world trip. We're in Madrid, Spain, and we're here for just 2 days. This is technically already day 2 because day 1 we arrived at like 8 in the morning and check-in at our hotel wasn't until 4 p.m. Great planning on my part, except it was like 96 degrees, super hot, wasn't in the mood for filming. Our apologies. Just got to our first day of our world trip. Cute and simple, little studio, washer, little kitchen, Peter standing out of the way so I can take my video. What a guy. Ooh. And clotheslines, apparently. And a towel, in case you forgot yours. It has been a long day in Madrid after getting off our flight at 8 in the morning. We couldn't check in until 4 p.m. This is at Mucho Madrid apartments here. It fit the budget, you know what I'm saying? Like, kind of expensive here in Madrid, and we're on a budget. We gotta make this trip last a year.
It's only for 2 nights.
It's only for 2 nights.
It has AC. That's what's important.
Thank God. It was so hot today. Like 90s feel like 100 kind of weather.
Feels like
We
200.
We went into so many different stores just to like read the AC.
Didn't even care about buying it. Just stood there.
Oh yeah, we didn't buy nothing. We're on a budget, remember? Don't judge me. I got a pumpkin spice latte hot because it sounded really good. And it's not 90 degrees out yet. I'm already hot. It's only like 10 in the morning or something and I'm already sweating, so that bodes well.
We apparently didn't learn our lesson from yesterday. I'm still wearing dark colors.
At least it's linen though, so there's that.
It's fine in the shade, but it's hot in the sun.
It's hot. I've already got the upper lip sweat, so yeah.
We decided to get some coffee, and now we're just walking around and exploring. Hitting a couple parks, some sculptures, fountains, all the shade we can find.
Yes, before it gets too hot. It's only gonna get worse.
Truth.
Now we're at the Royal Palace of Madrid, where apparently the royals don't often go to, and it's really more of a museum, but we're on a budget, so we're not going in. So I think it's like 20 euros a person. So we're just admiring the beauty of the exterior.
You're in the sun for only just a few moments to look at the palace, and now I'm wet. I think it's going to take more than 100 humans to take that one down.
And there's the other reason that we're not going to be visiting the palace. You can see that line behind us. Nope, I'm not spending a couple of my hours in Madrid in line in this sun.
But they might have AC though.
Once you're in there, to be fair, I think it would be really cool to go in there, but we're just, you know, minding that budget, so we do what we can.
In other words, we're poorsies trying to get a video without paying to go in. Palace. Cathedral.
And the cathedral is free to enter if you have your, you know, shoulders covered and more modestly dressed than I am now. And
I can go. Let's go. I'm going. Leaving her behind. Just kidding, I won't. Look how sad she looks.
we're outside at Mercado de San Miguel, which is like a food hall, one of the top places to visit. Kind of touristy, kind of expensive. We're gonna walk through and see if we can find ourselves an inexpensive snack to share, maybe, if we're lucky. I'm a little overwhelmed. What do you think? Oh, here we go. Yeah, let's do it. We ended up getting an empanada, jamón y queso, classic, but it was like $4.50, which is not cheap. It was actually one of the cheaper things we saw. Most things were like $8.50 or up, so just so you know.
And a lot of people.
A lot of people. It's crazy packed in here. After a well-deserved siesta,
I took a nap.
I worked, but I have to research how we're getting to Barcelona tomorrow because, yeah, that's how this trip is going. We've got like nothing planned out in advance, which goes completely against how I normally do trips, but we're figuring it out.
We're doing our best. That's all that you can ask for.
This is Plaza Mayor. We came here yesterday actually with our bags just to stop by, and none of this was here. And now it looks like they're setting up for some kind of event, as we can hear.
Lenny mentioned it earlier, but this is a year trip. Quit our jobs, sold all of our stuff, and we're trying to travel for a whole 365 days. We do have a hard stop, World Cup, summer.
Keeps reminding me.
Got to, otherwise you'll forget.
I'll forget and try and extend the trip.
But because it's a world trip and we have a set amount of money, we have a budget.
In order to make it a year, we don't want to have to come home in 6 months with our tail between our legs.
That'd be sad.
It's sad. Now, since we've only got 2 days in Madrid and we're on a budget, we're mostly just walking around the city, exploring those winding, beautiful streets and that incredible architecture, and stopping at some of the sites that are free. It's been absolutely beautiful. Like, Madrid might be the most beautiful city I have visited thus far. Bold words.
It's a bold claim.
Bold words,
Bold claim to make on your first city of the trip.
I know, but still, we've been to other places and this is gorgeous. Pizza churros.
Budget's gone.
Right now we're walking down Cava Baja, a little street that's known to be like the spot to go for tapas. Like, every little restaurant is a tapas bar, and apparently it's amazing, but it's kind of funny because right now we're here at like 5, 6, and it is empty. I mean, we read online like Spain eats dinner later, but it's still kind of funny. Like, half these shops aren't even open.
We'll come back.
We'll come back. We walked into this market, which, by the way, seems way more local and chill than the market we went to earlier. But as soon as I saw they had a gelato place, game over. You know how hot we've been. The budget's gone, though.
You know, nothing says local like Italian gelato.
After walking around that market earlier, grabbing a quick drink, we're back at that Tapas street. It's like 8 p.m. now and there's more people. We've decided it's okay to eat now.
You know, the city's so much prettier at night.
Yeah, when it's not 100 degrees out.
That helps. Here's one thing to keep in mind. Everybody in Madrid dressed so well. Good thing I brought a semblance of good outfits on this trip. Otherwise, I'd be looking like a bum.
Yeah, we were very impressed by the good fashion here in Madrid. And apparently that's all over Spain, but I am loving it.
We haven't seen all over Spain yet, though.
No, not yet.
You know, for as busy as that main street is during the day, it's so much busier at night.
We're just old people going to bed right now. Other people are just getting up. Wild.
It's crazy. Oh, so I'm not going to bed. I'm going to go play Zelda.
This was us all day the other day with our luggage, but now we're rushing trying to get some lunch and breakfast from this grocery store to take on the train to Barcelona. And we're running a little bit late, maybe because of me, maybe not. I don't know. Stressful. First we missed the first 000 line, bus, whatever. Managed to get on the next one. Super packed. We got here just in the nick of time. We've got 8 minutes until our train leaves, so a little stressful, but it all worked out. I guess I can't say that until we're on the train though. Well, we're on the train now, so I can officially say we made it. That was a close one, and we're enjoying our grocery store breakfast. Obviously, I got the chocolate thing. Well, we're all settled into our little hostel, and now we're just walking around. We're staying in the Gothic Quarter, which is one of the best areas to explore on foot. As you can see, we have the beautiful cathedral behind me. We'll be here for 5 days, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see that video next. We'll be exploring Barcelona on a budget. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Because since we're traveling for 1 year, we've obviously got a budget. I don't really understand what.
It'll hide my sweaty pits. What? My sweaty pits. Wow, that guy must be so hot. Can't believe they got a polar bear all the way over here. We always film Lenny walking, but never Peter walking. Why not? I don't know.